Looking to source customer manufactured parts from China? Are you struggling to distinguish genuine manufacturers from middlemen? Worried about cross-border certification compliance, safeguarding your confidential core design joins, communication barriers, and costly development delays? You need more than just a supplier. You need an experienced manufacturing partner that meets the international OEM standards, has a corporate cooperation experience, and knows the full production lifecycle inside out. Now, let me take you on a tour of our facilities. Zhenheng's machining and casting plants cover an area of 400,000 square meters. Zhenheng offers robust R&D capabilities. As of 2025, Zhenheng has obtained 35 invention patents, 214 utility model patents, and 6 design patents. Zhenheng operates dedicated prototype production lines. Our turnaround for rapid prototype development is only 25 days, allowing us to respond efficiently to your customer requirements. In terms of production equipment, we feature a 3D printing center, high pressure, low pressure, and gravity casting seal. Our components are supplied to the host of major domestic brands in the automobile and motorcycle industries. From initial concept design and 25 days rapid prototype development, Zhenheng is your perfect partner. If you have any needs, feel free to email our official address. That's all for our today's video. Thank you.